Um, this is a training video for using the configuration option of bomb checking system. In this training video, we'll tell you how to add a kit, how to delete a kit, how to modify the kit, and then how to add items inside the kit, and then how to ensure it is all coming out properly. So now we'll click the configuration option. Configuration option is only accessible for the admin with the admin password. So let me get into a password, and you see this particular window, that configuration window opens up. In this window you have an option for add kit, edit kit, and then a delete kit. It also has an option for adding an item, updating or editing the item, and moving up and moving down the sequence. So it also has an option for weighing scale selection and the printer name selection. So first what we'll do is we'll try to add a new kit. So here we need to add a new kit. For that, first we need to press add kit option. Okay, so I'll just use this one. I'll rename it as gt_kit_2. We have it, and the name is test kit. I'll name it as test kit. Test demo kit. I'll just add this kit. It says new kit created. So now the new kit is created. Now what I can do is I can add new items in this one. So either I can do a part number here. Let us say GT_A1 is a part number, and then quantity is, let's say, 5, and then item weight is, let's say, 10 grams. Item name is test item 1/1, and weighing scale, I say select as weighing scale 1, weighing machine 1, and image path I'll select as some image path I have. Let us assume I use this part here and just add image. It's up to you to select any of the images that is appropriate for you. So in this case I have to add tolerance also. In case we don't add any of the items here, and then I'll try to add new item which says tolerance. Now I not enter the tolerance, so it says tolerance cannot be empty. So you need to enter all the items. So here I given tolerance as 2% example. So I just add new item. It gets added to this new item here. Okay, I'll add one more item. Here I'll make it as A2, and this is some 20 grams or 30 grams. Here quantity is, let's say, 10, and test item 2, and weighing machine is the same, and then the photo is let's say different photograph. I'll take it, and I'll say tolerance is, let's say, 3%, something like that, or 1%. Now I add item. It adds as a second item in this one. So after doing all these things, I should ensure I do save changes. In case if you want to change the order, I can do up and down by selecting the one that will do as part of the editing one. Right now, let's say save changes. To save the changes, it has gone. Now if I have to see here, I got kit 2 which I recently added. Once that kit got added, it is populated in the existing kit thing. I selected this kit 2, and then when I say edit kit, all the items that we added, test item 1, test item 2, with all the values will get popped up. In case if you want to move or edit one of the items here, let's say instead of 10 grams I want to change it to 15 grams. So I should select this one here, and I should say edit item. When I say edit item, it asks me whether you want to edit the selected item. I say yes, and then that particular item details will get populated here. Now we want to change to 10 to 15 grams, I edit to 15 grams, and then say update item. When I say update item, that 15 grams is getting reflected here, and all other data are intact. Now I have to do again save changes. Everything is done. Now when I have to do one more time, let us say I want to in this case I want to edit, but I want to swap A2 in the place of A1 and A1 in the place of A2. Let's say if I have 4 or 5, I want to change the sequence. So I just say move up. That means this one will move up and this one will move seconds. If you see the sequencing number has changed, or A1 and A2. If I have to move down, I again do move down. This is one of the way. Whatever changes I do, I have to ensure I save changes, then only it gets reflected here. Okay. So in case if I already have the kit, then in the same kit, if I want to say edit kit, I want to add one more part. one more part, some other part, the existing part I have to do. What I have to do is I have to select the part here. What is the name? G search. Underscore. If we select it there and then say search, it's not there. So we say GT underscore A1. We search that part will come. Part is already existing, it says. So if you have to look for some other, let's say I go to GT kit 1 and say edit kit. This has multiple parts, GN03. Let us say I want to add this GN03 part. It is already existing in some other kit. I want to add to GT kit A2. So let us say GN-03, correct? So GT kit I will go. I say edit kit. I just want to add GN underscore 03. Here I say GN underscore -03. So when I say -03 and then search, part is already existing in case, but it comes over here. The existing part has come over here, but I wanted to add now the quantities I want to add. Let's say I want to have 5 numbers of this, and then I just want to have image part. I just for time being, I added some other image part, and then say add new item. It's already existing in the database, so it doesn't add, but all enter match. Then it goes and adds into this particular one. So once you enter one set of items in any of the kits, you can actually pull back those items without any other changes. You don't have to. You just have to change the count, and only the count you have to change, and remaining all will come automatically based on the count. So this is one option. So in case if you want to, by mistake I added this one. I don't want to change it. There's an edit option where you can change the values in case if you want. If I don't want this option, but I just want to delete this one. Let's say I say delete item, it gets deleted. You just say save changes, and then the whole thing will get changed. Now I go to edit kit option, and then only 2 parts only. I say I don't see the third part. Okay, this is an additional option. So now we have now we have seen how to add a kit, how to edit the kit, add items to the kit, and then how to edit the item, how to delete the item, how to search and pull back the item and then add it to this. All these things we have seen. We also seen how to move up the sequencing, move up or move down the item sequencing. Okay, now we come back to this one. Here we have vehicle weighing scale port selection. In case, as I said earlier, if we have we can have a configure up to 5 weighing scales. In this one, I scan it, and then it says what are the different kind of weighing scales are there. You need to check which ports your weighing scale is connected to into a PC. Let's say my weighing scale is connected to COM3 or COM47. Let us say I connected. So I'll just save. So my weighing scale will come to for COM47. It reads port via COM47. It reads. So if I want to have another weighing scale, I can again scan, and then it comes the details, and then I just for example, I'll add 2 and then save. It gets saved in the system. So now for the printer, I just again have to scan. It gives different options for me. So 3 is the option that my label printer is there. So I just connected, select that one, and then say save. Once I save this, it all gets stored. Now I'll do finally one more save changes, and then close this configuration. This is a way how you can do a configuration thing. One more thing is that if you want to editing existing ones, you can also do any of the kit you select. Do edit kit, the details will come up. Then again for editing the part you can select and then say edit item. You can edit this one. So this is how you can add any number of kits you can add, and then any number of kits you can maintain, and each and every kit should have a distinct name, distinct number, and then distinct name, so that such that you can able to pull out the data later. These changes which I have done, it will come up in the bomb checker. So in this case here, let me try to log in. So this is a different password than the admin password. you should remember. So in this one, the kit that I added recently, gt underscore kit underscore 2 will come up here. So if I say customer code is, let's say, IN23, the reason I press IN23 is I want to say it can take an alphanumeric numbers. So here I say 2 kits and then say save. So text item 1 has come with the image that I already stored over there. Image I already stored over there, and then the 15 grams and then 5 quantities or whatever it is I put there, it will come. So this is how you add a new kit or delete or modify the existing kit as well. Okay, hope this video helps you to easily understand how to configure your software for your kits.